Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to crawl a competitor site or multiple competitor sites from within our web crawler. Now we're all about web crawling and we're all about scraping web data. So once you've added a project, you just simply navigate to that project from the project screen, which is the home screen, as soon as you log into the tool. Simply click on a project name to navigate to that project. You will have to have already added competitors to a project in order to crawl them. If you're unsure how to do that, please check out one of our other tutorial videos on adding a competitor to our web crawler. Now, from within here you have a few options as to what you want to do. If you want to crawl a specific competitor, you can click on the crawl button on the row that competitor is listed. And if you have a lot of competitors and you want to crawl all of them, simply click on the Crawl All Competitors button at the bottom. If you want to crawl multiple competitors at the same time, you can see all of the crawls that you have currently active under the Active Crawls side menu link here. And if you want to use our competitor analysis feature, you'll have to have not only added competitors, but you'll also have to have crawled those sites as well. So that's how to crawl a competitor from within our web crawler. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.